Nobody told us it was going to be this emotional.
I'm not going to say a whole lot here because I think that the film stands for itself, but I can't tell you how happy I am to have such an amazing group of people here. And I look around this crowd and I know like 10 people, but it's so exciting that we're exposing so many people to this film and to our mission and to Carlos's art.
I left Cuba in my bones. This is the idea. Oh man.
I loved the free life. It was great. I love the story. I love that it is the traditional Cuban story of leaving Cuba and coming to the United States and making it. I mean, it's like, it's everybody's story. It's my parents' story. Like, it's every Cuban's story, or at least what we all strive for.
I was born in the U.S. of Cuban parents, but hearing his version of growing up in Cuba was extremely amazing, and I think the director did an amazing job of putting it together. Props to him. Thank you. Enjoy the show.
I think it's really important that he finally was able to make a film about this and show not just his creative work, but the background story behind it.
The authenticity, the passion, and the way it's portrayed in the art is more than captivating, and it absolutely speaks to me, and it's moving. And I absolutely loved it. It was awesome.
Really appreciated the intentionality and the detail and just like the passion that Free the People put into how they produced this event, the film specifically.
Nobody told us it was going to be this emotional. Like I didn't bring the wipes. I didn't bring any of the napkins, and I'm sitting here watching this film. It was just absolutely incredible.
It's true. It was a pure, like, open heart to the camera, and that's what I loved about it. And it was amazing. You could see the audience. I sat in back. You could see the audience through the whole film, just completely engaged, completely pulled into the ethos of their story, to the journey of Carlos and Claudia, and it was just a beautiful moment.
Does such a good job condensing and telling Carlos' story and giving people an idea of everything not only he has gone through, but him, my mom, us, everything we've done together as a family, and the road we've taken as together. It does an amazing job of telling that story.
I cry a lot. I cry a lot. I like to say thank you, because you touch me, my heart, all the time, and I remember every moment. Thank you.